Hey guys, we're back. Sorry about that. We had some recording issues, so I guess we're actually making two videos today, and I will try to get them uploaded by tomorrow evening. But the device I'm using to record on, it takes a long time to upload. So anyway, when the video comes out this week, it'll actually be two instead of one. So I'm gonna get right back at it, and I'll see you here in a minute when we're done. Sitting up there. Never mind. That's not good. So right here, I'm actually cutting across the cab support. That flange is used to meet up to the floor pan. So anyway, I'm not going to try to cut all the way through that, obviously, because I'll be going through the cab support, and I don't want that. most of it cut free. Looks like we've still got spots stuck here and there. Get my air chisel. I will be right back.
Okay.
Oh no, that's fine. Alright. Oh, this is fun. Try that one. So now what I'm going to try to do is chisel off what's left of the original floor pan from the cab support. I might have to actually just grind it off because it's going to be thin, it's going to be a mess. And I also don't want to cut into the floor support because as rusty as it is, it looks like the right side over by my hand is still in pretty good shape. It could probably be sandblasted and salvaged to a certain degree, so you want to be careful not to cut stuff that you don't want to have to replace, that you just want to repair. We're going to have to grind that spot weld out. Go back to the wheel of death. And yeah, I know I still have some cleanup to do there, but I wanted to get the bulk of this out of the way. And there we have it. Fred Flintstone, eat your heart out. wheel to finish off that little bit. Holy cow. All right, that should do the trick. Well, actually, I guess it did, right? So, I'm going to bring it back in a little bit. I'm going to clean up a little bit and change to a wire wheel so that we can kind of hit the perimeter of this. And obviously, I'm not going to be doing any welding to the cab support. That's going to have to be cut out from underneath and changed. So, I'm not really going to mess with that a whole bunch. I'm just going to clean it up around the hole. So I'll bring it back in a few minutes. Thanks. Bye. All right, we're back, at least for a few minutes. As you can see, the new pan is fitting in here pretty good. I got a little oil can action going on, and I'm going to have to go underneath and figure out why it's doing that. But I think, unfortunately, I'm going to have to wrap it up for the day. The weather is starting to turn. We had some storms here this morning, and they're starting to move back in. So, and it'd be nice to get something cold to drink and maybe something to eat. So, all right, thank you guys very much for watching. And if you like the video so far, please like and subscribe. That would help me out a great deal. I am new at this, so I'm still pretty awkward at it, but we're trying to get it figured out. Anyway, floor pan is probably 80% done. There's a few things I want to trim before I screw this in, and obviously I need to wire wheel and sandblast the existing rust. So we will do that, throw down some weld through primer, and then we'll start welding it up. So all right, thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.